Do you need new yoga tops to add to your workout wardrobe? Hello, I'm Sunju, the Upcycle clothing designer. Welcome back. In this channel, I teach fun ways to upcycle clothing using thrifted clothes, vintage clothing, and fabric scraps. Learn how I transform men's shirts, denim jeans, and plain old t-shirt into brand new clothes. Check out the link to my website in the description below. In this tutorial, I share 5 yoga tops you can make from an old t-shirt without sewing. I'll share my no-sew hacks and upcycle tips for each design. Let's get started! For this halter top from t-shirt tutorial, start by flipping the tee inside out and folding it in half lengthwise. Measure 8 inches down from the high point on the shoulder, draw a straight line across and cut. To make the front of the halter top, measure 3.5 inches from the high point on the shoulder and mark on the front neckband. Draw a smooth curved line that connects to the point just underneath the armhole on the side seam. Cut along the neckband from the shoulder seam to the mark under armhole. Only cut along the line on the front of the shirt. To make the back of the halter top, measure 1.5 inches from the folded center line and mark on the back neckband. Draw a smooth curved line that connects to the point on the side seam just underneath the armhole. Cut along the neckband from the shoulder seam to the mark under the armhole. Only cut along the line on the back of the shirt. After I made the basic outline for the front and back of the halter top, it was much easier for me to complete the t-shirt cutting technique. To complete the front of the halter top, measure 3 inches from the high point on the shoulder and mark on the front neckband. Draw a smooth curved line that connects to the point on the side seam just underneath the armhole. To complete the back of the halter top, measure 3 inches from the high point on the shoulder and mark on the back neckband. Draw a smooth curved line that connects to the point on the side seam just underneath the armhole. Cut along the neckband from the shoulder seam to the mark under the armhole. To complete this no-sew halter top from t-shirt cutting technique. For this no-sew muscle tank from t-shirt tutorial, start by flipping the tee inside out and folding it in half lengthwise. Measure 5 inches up from the bottom hemline, draw a straight line across and cut. To detach both sleeves, cut along the inside of the armhole seam. To separate the front from the back, cut along both side seams and completely remove the bulky overlock stitch. To alter the armhole opening, measure 3 inches up from the bottom hemline. Draw a straight line to the bottom of the armhole. Make the line as a seamless continuation of the shoulder strap for a clean look. Do one piece at a time. Alter the armhole opening of the front and back on both sides. To twist the side seam of the muscle tank, swivel the bottom 3 inches of the front piece. Use fabric glue to join the front to the back along the twisted side seam. Twist the other side seam to complete this no-sew muscle tank from t-shirt. For this DIY cutout twist tank from t-shirt tutorial, start by flipping the tee inside out and folding it in half lengthwise. To make the front of the tank, measure 2 inches from the neckline and mark on the shoulder seam. Also measure 2 inches underneath the armhole opening. Draw a smooth curved line connecting both points. Only cut along the line on the front of the shirt. To make the racer back, fold the tee in half lengthwise. Mark the top and bottom of the armhole opening. Measure 3 inches down from the center back neckline. Then measure 2.5 inches from the folded line. Draw a smooth curved line and cut to make the racer back. To make the racer back cutout, fold the tee in half lengthwise along the center line. Measure 11 inches down the center back from the neckline and cut along the line. To make the cutout twist, cut across both shoulder straps. Twist the racer back cutout and glue the shoulder seam to reattach with the front of the tank top. To complete the back neckline, use fabric glue to reattach the neckband and finish the no-sew cutout twist tank from t-shirt. For this crossover back tank from t-shirt tutorial, start by flipping the tee inside out and folding it in half lengthwise. To alter the armhole opening, measure 3 inches from the neckline and mark on the shoulder seam. Also measure 2 inches underneath the armhole opening. Draw a smooth curved line connecting both points and cut along the line. Copy the armhole opening onto the other side. To make the back of the tank, Fold the tee in half lengthwise along the center line. Only cut from the hemline to the neckband along the folded center line on the back of the shirt. Do not cut through the neckband. Also, cut along both shoulder seams from the top of the armhole opening to the neckband. Then, cut along the back neckband to reach the center opening. To make a seamless shoulder strap, measure 8" down from the top of the back center opening. Draw a straight line up to the shoulder seam. And cut along the line. Copy the seamless shoulder strap onto the other side. To complete the crossover back tank, crisscross the back pieces. Use fabric glue to reattach the shoulder straps onto the shoulder seam on the opposite side to finish the no-sew crossover back tank from t-shirt. For this strappy tank top from t-shirt tutorial, lay the tee flat. To make the front of the strappy tank top, measure 2.5 inches from the high point on the shoulder and mark on the front neckband. Draw a smooth curved line that connects to the point on the side seam just underneath the armhole. Cut through the neckband and along the line to the underarm hole opening. Copy the new armhole onto the other side. To make the back cowl drape of the strappy tank top, locate the center back between both under armhole opening. Measure 2 inches down from the halfway point. Draw a smooth curved line connecting the back cowl drape. To make the tank top straps, cut two 20 inches long pieces of 3/4 inch elastic band. Use fabric glue to connect one end of the elastic band to the top of the shoulder. Crisscross the straps. Then, attach the other end of the elastic band to the side seam below the under armhole opening to finish the no-sew strappy tank top from t-shirt.
Thank you so much for watching. Hope these no-sew yoga tops from t-shirts inspire you to add more cute workout tops to your wardrobe. For more details, follow the step-by-step pictures and detailed instructions on my website. You will see the link in the description below. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Share your yoga outfits with me on Instagram at Upcycle Clothing Designer. What was your favorite yoga tops? Leave a comment below and tell me what project you'd like to see next. See you in the next tutorial. Bye!